Welcome back to this training series. In this video, you'll be learning how to connect or set up your Google Analytics with your site. Google Analytics is a free tool from Google that informs you what is going on your site, like the location of the user, how long a user spent on your site, what a user is searching for on your site, links clicked on your site, and so on. So let's get started. Go to Google and search for Google Analytics. Click on the first result, analytics.google.com. So once it opens, click on Start Measuring. To get access to Google Analytics, you have to have a Gmail account. The reason I'm able to access this page is because I already signed in with my Google account, that is my Gmail account. If you don't have a Gmail account, create a Gmail account before you can get access to sign up or sign in to Google Analytics. Account name, you can put your name or the name of your site. So I will put the name of my site and scroll down. You can activate this, it's optional. Then click on Next. Property name. You can put the name of your site again. Then select your time zone. My time zone is Nigeria. Select the currency. The currency you want to see. Click on Advanced Options. Then we are going to activate this. Create Universal Analytics Property. Universal Analytics Property is the old version of Google Analytics. If you don't activate this, what you'll be creating is G4 Analytics, which is the new version of Google Analytics. So we're going to activate this. Universal Analytics Property is better, has more features than the default analytics. So we're going to activate this. Then we're going to add the name of our site. Create both Google Analytics 4 and Universal Analytics Property. I don't need Google Analytics 4, that's G4. I only need Universal Analytics. Now click on Next. Oh yeah, you'll be selecting your industry, business size, and the rest. So fill this place as you like. So once you have done filling it, scroll down and click on Create. Select your country. Then accept the data processing time. and click on save. Once you have done that, you will need to copy this code. Without this code, we cannot get information what is going on our site. So you're going to copy this code and paste it at the header of our site. So go to your WordPress site or wherever site you are using, go to the header and paste it there. For WordPress site, install headers and footers plugin and paste this code at the first box of the header and footer plugin. So, once you've done that, Google Analytics will start displaying information of your site or what is going on your site. So, that is how to set up Google Analytics on your site. If this is your first time of watching our video, please like, subscribe, and comment if you have any question. I will see you in the next video.